So this is the Leshy Field Knife from Fyrd Woodland Blades. It's a compact blade that got people talking. It's not only a good looking knife, but it's also very useful. So my first impression, straight out of the box, it's clear this isn't a mass-produced knife. This is a handmade here in the UK, inspired by traditional Nordic Puukkos, but with a few smart tweaks to it. It's got that continuous curved edge, a refined convex, and a grind, and it feels purpose-built. No gimmicks, just clean lines and functionality. The blade is long and made from an AEB-L stainless steel. That means that it holds an edge well and resists rust, even in a damp UK woodland. The grind is higher than typical Puukko, with a slight convex that gives you a powerful slicing, smooth carving, and it makes food prep easy. It's a blade that bites but still glides clean. So the handle shape is for long sessions in the field. It's a hybrid Coke bottle with a slightly deeper than most handle. This means that you don't need a tight grip to stay in control, and you get less fatigue, better precision, and even with gloves it locks into your hand nicely. So what can it actually do? So it can feather stick clean and controlled. You have notching, smooth and accurate. You can do some light batoning with it, no problem. You have food prep that's continuous curve, just glides through veggies, meat, and bark. It's built for real bushcraft, not just for sitting on the shelf. So final thoughts, Leshy isn't flashy, it's functional. It earns its place in your kit by doing the job, every time. If you want a knife that's compact, comfortable, and designed for actual work, the Leshy is worth a serious look. So if you want to see how this knife performs over time, hit that subscribe button. I'll be putting it through the real world use on future trips. Thanks guys for watching, and I'll see you the next one.